look right here. You know. All right. So. All right. This.
Bye.
See the bamboo truck. How does it work? When the soldiers step on that, for sure they're gonna fall down. 1, 2, 3. Can have a look inside.
They get out to know the step, the whole
Shoot American place right there. When they shoot, this one gonna protect themselves. And they wear the helmet. You know they wear the helmet, right? So that's why when they shoot, if they shoot, just take the helmet. So the people inside still really safe. And you can see the 1 to 2 hours we can do let it to shoot. Alright? Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright, so you can see so news that this is a air ventilation, but basically 99% was a fake one, not a real one. Do you know why? So before answer that question, I want to ask you, where can we put the soil when we did that? Em có thể bảo nói nhầm được không anh? Right, and you can see when they put the stick inside, the land over there gonna move it up, right? And when they step on that, when they step on the land right there, 2 sticks gonna come to that fit right here. All right, and all the truck right here, they try to make it stuck. You can imagine, right? When they step on that, this gonna stick to the armpit right like this. Right? 1, 2, 3, right? And the next one, can you move it? Like from bombshell. All right, and the next one, we call this one like alligator mouth. Alligator mouth, like crocodile's mouth. All right, when they stick on that. All right. Some animal come here, they stop mother step, verse and slip, verse and all right, they divided a small group. The group has around 3 people. Right? One stay inside, one stay right here, and you know, like the man can make a tunnel.
No, it depends.
Wash your head.
Ông see at the other side. Couldn't have qua cái nha, there's an animal. They're too dark for you. Too bright. They're almost blind. So and after
Que no son un movimiento.
Pedala que se
tiếng thơ dương trang tiếng lòng, ai có nghe cuốn ca sông về.
Trời đất mênh mông mà chân tôi lại hướng mộ.
Không, cắm lộn biết không? Lấy cây nhưng mà cắm lộn vô trong đó.
Sửa lại hả?
Hả?
Cắm ở đằng kia thì nó mới lấy phiếu.
Biết thì giờ em gọi vô trong đó nó giữ lại cái phiếu đó. Đưa anh đó nha.
No, this is my first time too.
For you?
Thế luôn à?
Thì giống miền núi.
Quê chị ở đâu?
Bảo Lộc.
Bảo Lộc. Em ở Đắk Lắk.
Ồ. Đắk Lắk gì đâu phải miền Trung đâu.
Dạ ba mẹ em người Huế.
Bảo hai đứa bỏ khẩu trang ra. Đẹp quá.
Be.
Ba hả?
Be sụn. Sau lần đầu. Yep. Can you come closer to me, please? Alright, right here. Alright. So you can have a look right here. One bee's box like this has around bees inside, a lot, right? And just has, you know, a one queen bee. Alright, one queen bee. The queen bee has black color and much bigger than the normal one. And you know, like the food for the queen bee is really special. We call it raw jerry, like the milk. Right. So, no worry. I turn around. You want it? Alright.
Try, you never die. Okay. Now try to go that way. Okay, come here, man. Come on, baby, come here.